Hey guys, it's me, Miss Ratliff again. I've had some questions on how to make Google sites so that your parents can view it and not just those that are logged onto our school's domain. So I'm going to go through a couple steps real quick to show you how to do that. First and foremost, you need to make sure that you are a co-owner or an owner of the Google site, so you have the publishing settings. You go right here to publish, this little drop down arrow, hit publish settings. The web address. Make it something simple that you and your kids can remember. I just did my school's initials and my last name. I also did this, request that public search engines don't display it because I don't want anybody to be able to search for it. And then you'll hit save. After that's done, you go back here to this little character with a plus sign and you click on that. And you'll go right here to where it says change. Keep your draft restricted. That's the part that you see. That means nobody can see the changes that you're making until after you publish them. Right here, publish site. It's probably on your school's domain or restricted. Change that to public. When you do that, anybody that has the link can view your page. And that's really all you do. Thank you.